Digital marketing, tech, roadmap, zero to job ready. Why digital marketing is growing. Every business is online. Visibility equals growth. What digital marketers do. Promote products using search engines, social media ads. Step 1. Learn basics, marketing concepts, customer behavior, sales funnel. Step 2. SEO, search engine optimization. Rank websites on search engines, keyword research on page and off-page SEO. Step 3. Paid ads, run ads on Google Ads, Facebook ads. Step 4. Social media marketing platforms, Instagram, LinkedIn. Step 5. Content marketing, blogs, videos, posts. Step 6. Analytics, track performance using Google Analytics. Step 7. Build projects, run campaigns, create content strategy, analyze results. What companies expect. Creativity, data analysis. Marketing strategy, common mistakes, only learning theory, ignoring analytics, not running real campaigns. The timeline 3 to 6 months with practice. Career path: executive, right pointing arrow; specialist, right pointing arrow; marketing manager. The final take: marketing drives growth. Without visibility, products don't sell. Upward trend rocket.